Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be sharing 17 incredible run commands that will give you access to hidden tools and features on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a casual user, these commands will save you time, enhance productivity and let you access hidden Windows features with ease. I highly recommend every Windows user gets familiar with these commands. They will come in handy for troubleshooting, optimizing and exploring your PC like a pro. And before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. It costs nothing but helps me create more valuable content for you. Now, when accessing the run command, there are two simple ways to open the run box. You can right-click on your start menu icon and then click on run. Either way, you can use the simple keyboard shortcut, which is Windows key plus R. Now, the first command is change PK. Type in change PK and then click on OK. Then click on yes to allow this app to make changes to your device. What this command does is, it opens the system activation box and then is used to check your Windows version, activation status or change your product keys. The next command is charm AP. Type in charm AP and then click on OK. This command opens the character map to access special characters and symbols. Use this instead of a third-party website for inserting unique characters into your documents or websites. For the next command, type in choice and then click on OK. This command opens a black window to create scripts with yes or no options. Perfect for those writing scripts or automating tasks. The next command is control user passwords 2. Type in control space user passwords 2. Then you click on OK. Now, this command allows you to access user account settings, and it has features like manage local accounts and Microsoft accounts, as well as the reset password option. And you can select an account and then click on properties. Then you head to group membership tab and then change account types, whether standard user or administrator. Then you click on apply and then OK. The next command is clean MGR. Type in clean MGR in a provided space in the run dialog box and then click on OK. Now, select the drive you want to clean up and then click on OK. What this command does is it opens the disk cleanup to clear cache files, temporary files or more. It is used to free up space and then improve system performance in a few clicks. So you can select the files you want to delete and then you click on OK to delete all the files and then free up space on your PC. The next command is computer defaults. Type in computer defaults and then click on OK. This command opens the default applications too and is used to quickly set default apps for your browser, your media player and then many more. The next command is cttune. Type in cttune and then click on OK. This command opens clear type text tenor and this makes the text on your screen easier to read. So you can just click next and then you make sure your display resolution is set to its native resolution. Then you click on next and then you click the text sample that looks best to you. So out of the 1 to 5 options, you can click on next for the one that best suits you and is great for people with vision challenges. For the next command, type in Diagnostic and then you click on OK. This command opens DirectX Diagnostic 2 and it allows you to view detailed system and graphic card information. So you get to see the operating system, the language, system model, processor, memory, page file and a DirectX version, as well as the information about your display device, being its chip type, the device type, the approximate total memory, and then the DirectX features of your display device. The next command is disk management.msc. Type in this command and then click on OK. This command opens the disk management tool, and this tool can be used to manage partitions, change drive letter and then path, as well as troubleshoot storage issues. The next command is Msconfig. Type in Msconfig in a provided space of the run dialog box and then click on OK. This command opens the system configuration tool and it has some special features that allows you to manage boot options, being it safe boot, and also allows you to troubleshoot startup issues and can also allow you to control background services. For the next command, type in msinfo32 and then click on OK. This command opens the system information and allows you to find details about your operating system, the version, the system name, the system manufacturer, the processor, the BIOS version and the date, and a whole lot of other options. The next command is powercfg.cpl. Type in powercfg.cpl and then click on OK. This command also opens the power options and then allows you to switch between power plans for performance or battery optimization. Type in PSR for the next command and then click on OK. This opens the steps recorder to record your on-screen actions. It's used for troubleshooting or to demonstrate steps for resolving issues, and it captures every click that you make on your screen. For the next command, type in Winva and then click on OK. This command displays the Windows version and the operating system build. It quickly checks your Windows version for updates or compatibility. The next command is ncpa.cpl. Type in ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. This command opens network connections, and you can easily manage Wi-Fi, Ethernet and adapter settings directly using this command. The next command is timedate.cpl. Type in this command and then click on OK. This command opens the date and time settings. Adjust time zones, enable internet time sync, and many more using this command. The last command is appways.cpl. Type in this command and then click on OK. This command opens the programs and features. Use this command to quickly uninstall or repair applications, as well as manage Windows features like turning them on or off, and then to view installed updates as well. That's it for today. These 17 commands are essential for navigating and managing hidden tools in Windows 10 and 11. Which command was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends who needs these productivity hacks. See you in the next video.